Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar bulls were reluctant yesterday in taking the market higher. After challenging the level of 76.70, the market has actually retreated from there. With the technical implications slightly buckling to the bullish case, does suggest that we may, at this present stage, see the bulls slightly caught in their own trap, and this would actually see a further pressure to the downside. At present, though, the support does come in at 75.95, and a break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and bring in the next target that comes in roughly around the region of 75.1525, and reassess from there. The dollar index posted a fresh low overnight of 93.17 and crushes the support of 93.40, which in turn saw the euro rally to a new high of 118.5 region. From the rejection, you can see the market is still pressuring the upside. I would, at this point, still expect to see one more test towards the upside, but still give opportunity to short the market. If the close of tonight, or in New York tomorrow morning, of sub 93.40, then this would give further indication that we could be looking up towards 119.40 and not towards 118.5. But let's not get too bullish at the top side of the range and see how the close is tomorrow morning. The dollar yen case has actually abandoned the top side challenge. Now from that, looking towards the downside, which comes in at 109.60. That is the low today. A break beneath this level would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target of 108.80. My view is that the market is buckling slightly to the trend and therefore could see the bearish case strengthen. And if so, could see a move sub 109.60 down towards the low region of 108. The pound reaches its objective overnight, 134.5, and now at this stage has posted a doji. This just tells me that the market is a little bit hesitant in taking the upside. Along with this, further developments that speculation that Brexit Secretary David Davis may be or preparing to resign, and this actually put a bit of a stress on the pound, and if so, could see the market fall away from 134.5 and look back towards the low region of 133 to 132, which is now possibly the preferred side, purely for the fact is that we got a rejection from 134.5. Still, no change in the gold outlook, with dojis pretty much all over the place that you can see as it trades sideways and unsure whether to break out of the range of this 112.88 to 1,307. Nevertheless, I'm not a bear, and I think the market is staging or performing eventually a bullish case and finding the foundations from 88 looking up towards the region of that trigger level of 0607. A break above there would give further scope towards 1312 to 24. And rounding off with oil, well, the market is this time around looking back to the top side again, as it's pretty much indecisive since the break of the flag and also of the uptrend. Therefore, this current upside does give us an opportunity to short the market towards 66.5. I do believe the market overall is looking down towards 62.40.80. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and this great start to the new weekend.